my dick in it. Ow! It really hurts. Ah! It really hurts. But it's okay, I really feel good. No! Goddamn! Fuck! Oh, shit! It is the bulldozer! Shit! Fuck! God damn! Shit! Oh! All over my penis and then my house! Ow! Gave it a wrong order at McDonald's and now you see that I can see the power of bulldozer when I destroy your fucking restaurant. When I destroy my balls, then you'll see the power of the caterpillar 10 wheel means going over my dick. Take this shit! I'll be talking about deluxe destruction, maximum satisfaction. It is time to get into the bulldozer, get into the bulldozer, get into the bulldozer. It is time for sex. Liquidate my sperm, destroy my house, annihilate my balls. That's what I'm talking about. None of that shit. I'm talking old school destruction. I'm talking total obliteration of good. Fuck by bulldozer, fuck by bulldozer, fuck in the bulldozer.